Lasaki ya kane lengba ka jing bu bait bu renti ka jongki ya ka jing mi ka tedemli na wo otos kana balamang da ka jing ngaj baskem ka jongki ha ka jing jit ka jongki ya upop Robert Francis Prevost ubadai upop batmai na United States America laong ba uladai upop ba ars pan riu phonyo Robert Francis Prevost ubalajit ya ka kerteng upop liyo ubakat saw ha ka khandai tarik ujemang ula rakhe ya ka mas baningkong ay ka jongu kum upop bat dai ha ka steps ni thoding ha Sistine Chapel Hakani kasni kilaya don lang ruki kardinal ki balajid yau hakasni palai. Uliyo la kren lengkot dagaktin paring shua kecing yalap kecung uda ong ngakwa ban ong biang yaki kentin naka responsorial sam ngarwai kecing ruai patamai hautrai namar ba ulale yaki kamba basisha tang bat ngah nri bat ngi barok lang bat ula ong sisuru ko para kardinal jonga kat bangi dang rakhi mentaka step ngakot sungpaya pi syakajing perkhat ya kam bapala jong utrai ki baula le bad ula the ekajing kerku ha kajing syakri kajungi leng bau Petrus
as a community of friends of Jesus
ha kajing yalap kajung ka baula kren daga ketin Italian uliyo ula ong bagi Kristan ki deiban syakri ya ka perthai ka bala ju persya ya kajing kajungki Wat haduk ini kisngi ki don ki jaka ki balashim ya ki jingit Kristan kalong ka baklem jingmun ka bamut na ka benta ki batlot bat ki bom stan ki jaka ha ka bakhamjit kum ki wepat ki jing pen scam kum gat teknologi ka pisa ka jing job ka bor bat ka jing sobha kini ki long ki jing jia ha ka bakam long ka basuk ban yalap ya ka gospel bat ru ban sakhi ya ka jing shisha ka jongka ha ka baki banget ki sha leben ki sha persya bat sha nyobeng
News, we have a new
begin with a word in English and the rest is in Italian, but I want to repeat the words from the responsorial psalm. I will sing a new song to the Lord because he has done marvels. And indeed, not just with me, but with all of us, my brother cardinals, as we celebrate this morning, I invite you to recognize the marvels that the Lord has done, the blessings that the Lord continues to pour out upon all of us. Through the ministry of Peter, you have called me to carry that cross and to be blessed with that mission. And I know I can rely on each and every one of you to walk with me as we continue as a church, as a community of friends of Jesus, as believers, to announce the good news, to announce the gospel.